I'm gonna show you how you can make money simply liking and sharing YouTube videos. So let's roll the intro. So first of all, this site is for that micro tasks. First, sign up and browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, finish tasks and submit proof, earn money. And they're gonna pay you via your PayPal. Sign up now, and you have to fill up all your details like name, email, password, country, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And I really suggest to not break these rules using VPN or other type of masking IP software. That's basically a big no to not do with this. Multiple accounts with same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi. Same IP used with other accounts to do tasks. Doing other country jobs that you are not from. So yeah, all this I suggest don't do that, because you're gonna get banned, and all this will get you banned eventually. And if you got banned, don't waste your time making another account. So yeah, and I'll be back. Once you sign up, you're gonna get confirmation link on your email, and just click on that and your account can be ready. There's target workers. There's a specific micro jobs for specific countries, and as I stated previously, don't do that if you're not from the country, because you're gonna get banned. And there's a bunch of these. Look at this, how many jobs are
oh my god,
and kind of stuff, you know, like you can see YouTube sign-ups. A bunch of these jobs are really simple, and payment, you can simply select like this payment, and you can select how much you're gonna be paid. See all these tabs: task and finished, my campaigns, my account. You can see your account, deposit, how you can PayPal, your email on the site. PayPal withdraw, we only do PayPal, don't message us for something else. You can see withdraw is via PayPal. And now what we are looking for is YouTube, and just type it here, YouTube, and click enter. And you can see YouTube fast payment, social speed test, YouTube watch, share, like, comment, subscribe, 18 cents. International YouTube watch, subscribe, like and share, 0.06. And when you think about it, there's a bunch of these, usually that like, share, watch, subscribe, and bunch of that. And you can see, I didn't say, you can see how many people have done your jobs, and you can see 681/800. That means that it remains more of 100 people to do a job. And just by clicking on a job that you like, and for example this, watch, subscribe, and like, you can see all the details about this job. What is expected from workers. Yeah! And you simply, here is the required screenshot, and you can simply here drag it image and post it like that, and that takes less than 3 minutes to finish. So yeah, this is the simplest method. And once you, for example, this job that I choose is 0.06, and for example, bunch of these, I'm gonna pull up my calculator. 0.06 multiply with 15 is gonna, okay, you do 0 multiply with 20, you're gonna get $1.2. So, and do it every single day like that, and you can earn good passive income and for the beginning. And yeah, so this is the site, and you can do it as much as you want. Look how many of them are available, and internationally. And yeah, and I hope you find some interesting information in this video, and you can do it simply other tasks, do as much as you want, but keep an eye to be, if you are not from that country, don't do it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and peace.